Hi, my name is Jim Silver. I'm the superintendent of cleaning and maintenance system at the T. Normally we just clean a vehicle at night. It would go out to work, come back and get cleaned at night. Now when a vehicle comes in, it gets cleaned at night. Afterwards it's disinfected again before somebody gets into the bus. If a bus goes to a repair facility, it's disinfected before the mechanic gets in it and works on it. Cleaning is actually removing the organic matter, the dirt, foreign materials from the surfaces. Disinfecting is actually a disinfectant that actually kills viruses and bacteria. And you need to do one before the other. So disinfecting is done with disinfecting wipes. Fogging machines will get into cracks and crevices that you can disinfect with a rag. It's much faster and much more efficient. The MBTA has hired an outside consulting firm to actually do some testing and provide guidance on what we should and shouldn't be doing. They do random audits and testing, before test and after test. These chemicals are CDC approved. We're doing our best to protect our riders and workers to the best of our ability.